Hello, welcome to TW White & Sons Mazda. Thanks for taking the time to look at our approved used vehicles. What we've got to show you today is a car that we've just taken in part exchange. It's a 2018 on an 18 plate Mazda CX3 in Sport Nav trim with a 2 litre petrol engine and a manual transmission. This is quite an interesting car actually. It's a vehicle that we sold from new, so it's a car we know very, very well. The car has been looked after beautifully, as you can see. It's finished in machine grey. It's got a black leatherette interior. The quality of finish on CX3s is really, really lovely. The interior materials are very, very nice. It's a lovely place to be, and the outside of the car looks wonderful. They're a very in-demand car, CX3. We don't tend to find loads of them on the used market, and when they do come about, they're never with us very long because there's so few of them out there. But a really, really nice car, particularly a nice example that we're very happy to be able to offer for sale. Just take you around the car, show you the condition. You can see from the finish on the paintwork, the car has been looked after really, really well. There's no sort of scrapes on the bumper corners or anything like that. Alloy wheels are in nice condition. As you go down the side of the car, the quality of the paint, as you can see my reflection there, is very, very good indeed. So these have a 2 litre petrol engine. They're normally aspirated with a 6-speed manual gearbox. They produce around 120 PS, which is more than enough for the car. It's actually a very, very torquey engine for something that's a normally aspirated petrol engine. You put your foot down and they take off very well from any revs. Also return you a very sensible fuel economy thanks to Mazda's SkyActiv technology. Just show you the boot. Being a Sport Nav, come with a really comprehensive specification, good sized boot. And if I look under the floor here, you'll notice under the carpet there is the subwoofer for the Bose stereo. Got a really, really good stereo in these. Mazda have a very good relationship with Bose. In all our sort of high specification cars, they come with Bose stereo, and they are very, very good. You can instantly tell from the sound quality how much better it is than a normal stereo. You also have keyless entry, which you can see here. The car comes with all electric windows and power fold mirrors. Another mention of the Bose speakers down there. I mentioned the interior being a black leatherette, as you can see here. Really lovely condition seats, and the leather sort of extends itself onto the dash here. It's a very nice panel, which looks very smart, and also onto the door cards with that sort of contrasting sort of deep burgundy, which is also on the air vents, the stitching on here and on this sort of section of the section in front of the gear stick there as well. Just start the car up, shut the door. Keyless start, so push button down here, just dip the clutch pedal, press that button one time, car comes into life. Car's covered 27,439 miles, which for a car that's over 3 years old is well under the average. You have, there you go, you see that the car's returning over 40 miles per gallon on average for the previous owner. And your head-up display there, which I don't know if you can see very well, just shows you a digital speed readout of what you're doing. This will also show you some of your navigation instructions as well, so really, really good feature. It means you can keep your eyes that little bit higher on the road, and you don't have to be looking down at your speedometer all the time. You have also lights and auto wipers, as you'd expect. Steering wheel controls for hands-free phone, cruise control and speed limiter. Mazda's multimedia system in the centre here. This has inbuilt navigation, hands-free phone and Bluetooth that I mentioned. All your audio options include DAB. You also get an all-important reversing camera, as you can see there. Vehicle comes with climate control, air conditioning. Being a Sport Nav, you also have all-important heated steering wheel. It's a wonderful feature for winter time, and both front seats are heated as well. You have a USB socket down here, 6-speed manual gearbox that I mentioned, and the controls down here of the multimedia system. So also twist this little dial here, so you can move your selector on the screen there as well. I mentioned the condition of the interior. Rear seats are all in lovely condition, headliners unmarked. It's all in really, really good shape. The car's had a very, very easy life. It'll be supplied with a 12-month parts and labour Mazda warranty. As we said, with all of our approved used vehicles. And that's it. That's our Mazda CX3. Please feel free to give the sales team a call. We very much look forward to hearing from you. Cheers then. Bye.